Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about PTE Speaking module. I will tell the important things to prepare and the special tips to get your desired score. First, read aloud. Time to answer the questions in this section is 30 to 40 seconds. Number of questions will be 6 to 7. Marks will be based on reading and speaking 35 to 40 and 20 to 25 respectively. The main things to focus to get full score are fluency, pronunciation and content. Content means you should not skip even a single word in the paragraph given to you on the screen. Here is the example how it will look like. Tips for this is as soon as you finish reading, move to the next question so that others' voice do not get recorded in your microphone. Follow the punctuation like. Today is the rainy day. Keep your accent natural. No need to change it. Next is repeat sentence. Number of questions 10 to 12. You will be given 3 seconds to prepare before audio start, then 3 seconds stay and recording will start and time will be 15 seconds. As soon you are done speaking, move to the next question. Marks will be 30 to 35 based on listening and speaking. If you speak 8 out of 10 perfect and 2 are just 50% right even, then you can get 90 marks in speaking. Important tip. As audio starts, start writing the sentence in short form. It will help you to catch most of the words from the sentence. Do not panic if you could not understand 100% sentence at that time. Just try to speak fluently and make sure you get the words, most of the words from audio. Next is describe image. Know of questions 3 to 4. Preparation time 25 seconds and answer time is 40 seconds. 25 to 30 marks for each question. Important tips. Content do not matter in this question type. It means marks will be based on only fluency and pronunciation. Yes, that's true. You should not worry about that whether you are describing the image right or not. Just focus on pronunciation and pick the headings and colors from the image and talk about them for 40 seconds. I shared a template in my slide. You need to memorize it and that will help you to add lines to your content so that you can get full marks without any tension. Next is retell lecture. Number of questions 1 to 2. Timing pattern is written in the slide. Marks will be 5 to 10 based on listening and speaking. Important tips and template to memorize is shown in the slide. Follow it and it will definitely help you to get full marks. Just remember to pick phrases from audio in sequence and write down. And practice your answer in the prep time before recording start. Kindly read the slide. The last part is short answer. It is 1 word answer or 2. Number of questions 5 to 6. Marks will be 1 to 2. Follow the tips shown in the slide. Do not waste time in preparing this section. Focus on the previous ones that has most of the value. You need a lot of practice. Do not be stressed. Just focus. Thank you very much for your time. Any question, ask in comment and I will help you. Best of luck.